I don't understand this life. Some people just have it easy. Why can't I be those people? Some people just falls into their lap. It's me. I have to struggle and cry and cry and struggle and struggle. I don't understand it. Even after be struggling and crying, say, still not enough. Just if somebody be like, okay, I've seen your efforts, just take it.
This is Big Brother. Will the head of house please report to the diary room?